I know my hair looks horrible, but this is just Cinnamon Challenge 2. And we're having 2 cameras rolling. One's waterproof. So we're going to have 2 cameras rolling. Okay. And this one's going to be over here. Okay. This is our cinnamon. It's spice time. Okay.
We need water.
We gotta make sure it's at least 1 tablespoon. Yeah, I know, he will die. Oh, jeez.
Looks like rotten poo. Is it old cinnamon?
No.
Why don't you shake it? That's good enough. Okay, that's good enough.
Oh my god.
We'll never be able to solve that, man.
Jeez. Yeah, I know.
You want to just give some of it? No, not fair.
Here. Looks so pretty.
Is it recording?
Here's our tablespoon. Now this camera. Okay, ready?
Wait. Can you get me mine?
Your water's right there.
Oh.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I can do it.
Do it!
Wait.
1, 2. Do it! 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Do it!
It's hard. It's a lie. Okay. Okay, I'm already ready.
1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Just do it. Just bite down. Just do it first. Is it bad? Is it bad?
Mhm.
Is it Is it your worst one?
Mhm.
Oops! I just dropped all my cinnamon. Can I grab it? Wait.
I like puke. Just the taste is disgusting.
Don't puke on me.
I won't.
Done. I could never finish that. That is crazy.